It's day two of the protests in the streets of the national capital by the Aam Aadmi Party government led by their Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal today. And to talk about that, I am now joined by the President of the Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee, Arvinder Singh Lovely. Sir, how do you react to what's happening in the streets of Delhi today?
It's so unfortunate, a person on such a high post. It's not only that now he is the leader of our party, he is the leader of the house, he is the leader of the citizen of Delhi. And that person is lying one after another. I haven't seen any person lying more than what Mr. Kejriwal is doing.
What do you think he's lying about?
He's lying about everything. He's lying about everything. NDTV only showed it on their show that when he announced that he will sit on the demonstration, he said that they want suspension of 3 officers. And the day when he went for the demonstration, he even came that if not suspension, at least transfer those 3. Now he is saying that he has set on demonstration for the women's security, for the statehood of Delhi. He has never announced those issues. If he was really serious on those issues of statehood, he would have brought a resolution in Delhi Assembly. If he is so sensitive about the women's safety, when Danish woman was gang raped in Delhi, he said that he will summon police commissioner next week, and he will also get a detailed study done why these sort of rapes happen. And if you remember, Pradesh Congress Committee demonstrated against Mr. Kejriwal at his office because of his insensitive opinion and insensitive attitude towards the rape.
Right.
Now he is saying he wants women's safety. He is sitting on that demonstration.
He claims that rape is one of the reasons why he's sitting there.
But he never announced that. If it was one of the reasons, he on very same day he would have said that I am sitting on a dharna. And I promise you, if he had sat on a dharna because of that gang rape, maybe we would have accompanied him on that dharna. But he is sitting on that dharna just to save his ministers, because he knows that law of the land is not going to spare those ministers. His minister had to go to jail. He will be booked for what he has done, taken all the law in his hand. He is just trying to save his minister. And second thing is, he is running away from the responsibility for fulfilling the promises which he made to the people of Delhi.
Running away. Isn't it ironical that the Sheila Dikshit government that you were a part of always said that the fact that the Delhi police was not under the control of the Delhi government was a huge problem? Arvind Kejriwal, in a sense, is raising the same issue today.
See, if you remember, at that time he used to say that we are making a lame excuses. A chief minister, if wants to do anything, he can do. Now see what our chief minister is doing. So he is lying one after another. Tell me one issue in which he has remained stick to one stand.
But
if not only these issues, even political issues. He said that his party has decided that no MLA will contest Lok Sabha.
Now they may change their mind about that.
See, now he's saying I will contest Lok Sabha. Isn't he not a MLA? Everything from A to Z. This man I think this man should be awarded for the biggest liar in our country.
So you're calling him the biggest liar in the country. The question is, why doesn't the Congress withdraw support?
See, we have not given him the support.
But
because we have not given him the support because of his attitude and because of his lying problem. We have given him support because we didn't want it to thrust the election on the people of Delhi.
But so what now?
And secondly, the promises which they have made to the people of Delhi, we have given them an opportunity to fulfill those.
But sir, considering what's happening now on the streets of Delhi, if the Congress is so unhappy with the stand that he's taking, will it now rethink its decision?
Why not? Why not? If he will keep on working unconstitutionally, then definitely we'll discuss the matter within our legislatures and within our party. But right now, he wants to run away from his responsibility, and we won't let him run away.
So as of now, no rethink because you don't want him to run away from responsibility.
As if now, right now, because he is sitting on dharna on some other lame excuse, we have given him, extended him support for the development of Delhi and for the promises which he made to Delhi. But
as of now, the support
I honestly telling you, his lies one after another will definitely force us to rethink at a time.
It will force you to rethink. Also, sir, your party is in power at the center. Obviously, law and order comes under them in Delhi. Republic Day is just a few days away. This must be a security concern also. What do you think the Congress-led government needs to do?
See, not as a congressman, as a citizen of Delhi, I would urge central government, I would urge Delhi police that law should take its own course. Law, whatever law permits them, they should work according to the law, and nobody is above law, whether it is a chief minister or prime minister or any other person. Nobody is above the Constitution of India. Nobody is above the law.
What would your recommendation be?
Whatever,
what are their options?
Whatever the law permits, Delhi police should act according to the law.
All right, so thank you so much for talking to us. So there you have it, Mr. Arvinder Singh Lovely there, being very, very critical of Arvind Kejriwal, calling him the biggest liar in the country and saying that this man is trying to run away from responsibility. The Congress won't allow that to happen just yet, but if he carries on like this, they will be forced to rethink their support. In New Delhi, with camera person Charlie Ram, Neha Khanna for NDTV.